Hello, my name's Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. This week, the market direction has been flattening out, but we're still in the trend channel. Notice on the Dow. The Dow was up 200 points today, but it opened right about, or closed right about where it opened, trading as an indecisive day. You can see the trend channel in the Dow, and you can also see it closed right on the T-line as a doji, gravestone doji type day. Now this gives us a very good indication of which way they'll take the market tomorrow. It'll trade in the direction of how they open tomorrow. So if they open lower, we're still hugging this lower end of the trend channel, and we'll still be kind of looking for the 34 as support. Now the NASDAQ has been showing better strength. It's been uptrending this whole time, and today it traded up strong. Even though it did a doji type day, you can see the trend channel that the bullish sentiment is still in progress, especially if we're up above the T-line. So we're often asked which ones are the strongest patterns to be using in candlestick analysis. And the answer is they're all good. That's why we're recognizing them 400 years later. But the J-hook pattern has been working very effectively. You can see on our recommendation in LVGO that it's done a J-hook pattern, very strong price move, even going into earnings. Same scenario on CDAY. Look at where the left-right combo occurred, right smack dab off the 50, off the T-line, through the 200. The positive trading made this a J-hook pattern setting up. It's also working very well. When you've got patterns like the Bobble breakout, that's even a more defined pattern where you can see where it initially failed, pulled back right to the T-line, did a piercing signal. Now it did a little trend kicker signal right here at the 200-day moving average, confirming the Bobble breakout. This makes for a very high probability trade setup if it opens positive tomorrow. You want to be buying wave 1, wave 2, going into wave 3. The same scenario can also be identified right here in PS, our recommendation today. Look at your morning star signal, right smack dab on the T-line, came back up through the resistance level. Now you've got the potential of a wave 1, wave 2, going into wave 3. Right now, there's lots of breakouts occurring. Space, for example. Notice how yesterday it broke out through the 50, which had been acting as a resistance level. Traded positive today. If it breaks out through this level, you've got lots of upside. But you can basically see the strength coming back into space. So these are the type of situations where you're putting on positions where the probabilities are pretty strong, you're moving in the right direction. We're going to be demonstrating how to identify the strong signals and patterns on our two-day training session coming up on May 16th and May 17th. Join us, because that's where you get the comprehensive analysis of why signals and patterns work like they do based upon human nature. And when you see it all in a chronological order, candlestick analysis makes very good sense. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms. Whoops, that should have been May.